This is the April Glossy Box. Let's get on in here straight away and see what we've got. Hi there guys, and welcome to my channel. I hope you're all doing absolutely fantastic today. Today's video, this is the April Glossy Box. Isn't that box really pretty? Today we are diving straight in here to see exactly what we've got. I cannot wait to see what's in here. On the box it just says bloom and grow. Inside the box we've got the digital edit card. That looks like it's going to work because the QR code is black, thank goodness. That should work. Where is my phone? Let's get a scan in. It's just brought up the website. Oh, we are freestyling it once again, guys. I do apologise. If you are interested in this box though, by the way, it costs £14.75 a month. I do have a link and a code. I'll pop them down below in the information box and the comment box. If you use those, you will get your first box for £10, which is a great saving. But yes, let's have a sneak peek because that's got to be done. If you have not already, if you want to hit that subscribe button, come on over and join my YouTube family. I would love to have you. Hit that notification bell as well. It'll just let you know whenever I upload any videos. And of course, if you like this video, which I really hope that you do, please remember to smash that thumbs up button. It helps my channel out so much. But there is a quick sneak peek for you. But let's get to digging to see exactly what we've got. Just to be totally clear and transparent, guys, this is my PR box. I have not paid for this. GlossyBox sent it to me to do an unboxing on my channel every month. I also do pay for a box every month myself as well. I gift the contents to friends and family. Sometimes I do a giveaway for it. It all depends really. But yes, in here, but yeah, I do apologise about the way that I am looking today. I've literally just got in from the gym, so that's what this is all about. When I go to the gym, I only wear mascara. So yes, no makeup at all. I've literally just popped some lipstick on just to film this, just to have something on my face. But yeah, let's get to digging. So the first item I've picked out of the box is this. So this is by the brand Frank Body, and this is a scrub from Down Under for Down Under. Let's have a look. Apparently it's brightening, it's antibacterial, and it is hydrating. Instructions of how to use, it just says get naked and wet in the shower. Massage, scrub all over the entire body, leave on for 3 minutes, then rinse. Use 2 to 3 times per week for best results. Yeah, I love a good scrub. I am definitely a sucker for a scrub. I can't see anything in there, so I can't even have a sneak peek, and I don't want to open it just yet because I will get it everywhere. I know what I'm like. But I've had a few bits from Frank Body, the brand, and yeah, it's actually a really nice brand. The only thing I'm not so keen on is the coffee scrub because that gets everywhere. Hopefully this is going to be a different experience to that, but yeah, cool, can't wait to use that. Second product in the box that we have is this. So this is by the brand Brushworks, and it's a massaging shampoo brush. Gently exfoliate and massage your scalp. Simply move the silicone bristles around in a circular motion. Yeah, I've had a few of these in the past, and I'm actually glad I've got another one of these because the one I've got in the shower at the moment, it's seen better days and it needs replacing. So here we go. Here's my replacement, and I must say, loving the colour. I do certainly approve. Yeah, this is what it looks like. Oh, that's actually really comfortable in the hand. And then yeah, on your scalp and just rub away there. Oh, nice. They are nice and soft, but unlike some of the scalp massages that I've had in the past, they've been too soft. These ones are soft, but yeah, they've got the perfect stiffness. Is that the right is that the right word to say? To them, that is actually going to massage the scalp. So yeah, nice. Third product we've got in the box is this. So this is by the brand Christoph Robin, and this is a cleansing purifying scrub with sea salt. There's 40 mils in here, and this is a soothing detox treatment shampoo. It just says once a week apply a teaspoon size to wet hair, massage and emulsify, rinse and then follow with whatever hair care routine you want to follow with. But yeah, I've had a few of scrubs from this brand and I've actually really enjoyed it. One of the scrubs that I used left my hair feeling so clean, and yeah, definitely detoxed. And that smells, it's a really clean, gorgeous scent, so I'm definitely going to be using that very shortly. Fourth item we've got in the box is this. So it's by the brand Nails Inc, and this is obviously a nail polish. I'm trying to look for a colour. This is in the shade Mayfair Lane. I think I have had this before. It is a beautiful colour. For me, I am terrible with nail varnishes. They chip off within a day. It's so annoying. I have found that the Nails Inc ones do for me last longer than a day, which is absolutely fantastic. I also prefer gel polish, if I'm honest, but what I've started doing, because I do have a few nail polishes now, I just get the gel top and paint it over the top of this and then set it with the light. But yeah, that is such a pretty colour when it's on. It's nice, it's clean cut and it's simple. I just wish we got another product by Nails Inc, or is it just polishes that they do? Somebody clue me in, because I definitely need some clues. The fifth and final item we have in the box is this. So this is by the brand Beautinique Beauty, and this is a great length mascara. I do love getting mascaras, but the most important thing is, what is the wand like? Yes, it's plastic, it's spiky. I am hoping I'm going to love that. I already love the actual wand itself, so that's great. It just says on here, it's lengthening and a thickening mascara. I will believe that when I use it and see the results for myself. It's formulated with jojoba oil and castor oil. Oh, okay, cool. So that should be really nice on the eyelashes. Hopefully help grow them a bit, because these things here, oh, especially this eye, and anyway, for some reason these lashes are longer than these ones, but hey, I'm just odd. But yeah, really happy to get a new mascara to try out. This is the Bloom and Glow Edit, the April GlossyBox. What do you think? Personally, I actually really like this box. It is definitely better than last month's box, if I do say so myself. I always love getting a tool in my box, I really do, especially when it's one that I need, and that I was gonna stock up on it anyway because I'm in desperate need of one, so that's great. I love getting body scrubs, I love products for the shower, amazing. A nice little scrub for the hair, a really good brand as well, so happy about that. We get lots of these. This is definitely a repeat. Lovely shade, but I think I have two of them already. Would have been nice, as I say, if Nails Inc do other products, it would have been nice to test something else out, possibly. And yeah, a lovely mascara to try. So yeah, really happy with this month's box. Definitely massive thumbs up from me. What do you think? Do you get this box? Are you happy with it? Again, if you do not receive this box and you would like to, I'll pop a link and the code down below in the information box and the comment box. It is $14.75 per month, but yeah, with my link and code, you'll get your first box for a tenner. The longer you subscribe for, the cheaper it gets per month as well, so that might be something that you want to look into. But yeah, that concludes this video. So if you have not already, hit that subscribe button, smash that thumbs up button, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.